Okay, guys, welcome. Quickly, I'll be showing you how you can get 30,000 coins on Tenaz, how you can get it on a daily basis, what you need to do, and how you can arrive. As you can see, this is my Tenaz coins here. Look at it, I've gotten over 300,000 coins, and there is a trick to it. I'm going to tell you, and where the trick is at the game center. The games, how you need to be playing the games and accumulate coins. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I got here now. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this side. Can you see this side, this icon here? Come there, then come to your press your game zone. I click on game zone, and immediately I click on game zone, you wait for a moment, the game will start showing. Yeah, this is the game now. Now I'm going to explain something here. Please pay attention. Pay attention. If you don't understand this video, you go over and watch it again in order for you to understand it. So this is what you need to do. At first, you will see once you open your game center, your own, if you've not been playing the games at all, your own will be zero, and here also will be zero, because I've played the game. I kept on playing it. That is why you are seeing this figure 105,799. But before I explain anything here, let me explain something. Now, the what you see here, the figure that you see here, 105,799, is what you will use to buy the tenants. That is, you come to shop. Like if I come to shop now and I come to under bundles, I click on bundles, you can see you have tenants, 15 tenants for 1,000 coins, 100 tenants for 5,000 coins. But this is the ultimate goal. This one, 1,000 coins for 300 tenors. That is, you use your 10,000 coins to buy 300 tenors, which means that if you have 20,000 of this year, 20,000 of this year, you will use it to buy 600 tenors. So if I have like this one, I have 100,000, over 100,000 here. So if as I have 100,000 here, I can use it to buy, that will be 100. So that would be 3,000. So 100,000 of this will give me 3,000 tenors. But how can you get this? Now I'm going to explain something to you now. Pay attention, please. Now this game you are playing, play it for 25 missions, come to missions, claim all these points. So if you accumulate all these points that are here, once you finish accumulating all of them, hmm, once you finish accumulating all of them, all the points that you earn total will be 10,000. Okay, so once you get that 10,000 points, don't use it to go and buy your coins, your tenors points yet. Don't use it to go and buy tenors coins yet. So I'm going to show you what to do now. So after you finish playing it like this for 25 minutes and you've come to missions, you've accumulated all of this, what you need to do next is to come back, come like this. Okay, now look at these tenors, look at this icon tenors. You hold this tenors icon down. Can you see? I pressed it down, so it brought out options like this. Then I'll click on the third option, app info. I'll click on it. Some of you might not see it like this. Some of you might not see app info. It might write another thing. Okay, you click on it, then you come to storage and cache. Look at this storage and cache. Click on it. Once you click on it, you clear storage. Look at clear storage. Then you also clear cache. Look at clear cache. Okay, please watch this video to the end. Now, after you finish clearing cache, you now come back. You come to Tenaz, open it again. Now, after you finish opening Tenaz again, you will see that it will require you to log in again. So now I want to log in again. I'm logging in again with my Gmail, and I will also input my password. Then I will log in. Good, I've logged in. Then I will now go back to my game zone again. I will go back to my game zone. So my game will open. Now, why did I do this? Good. Now, my point is still there. But if you come to missions, after you've played the game, now let's play the game. Let's play the game again. Let's play the game again. Now, in your own case, play it for 25 minutes. So you go and play the game for 25 minutes. You play it for 25 minutes, or you allow this timer to reach to 25,000. Once you get to 25,000, claim all the points, claim all the points, claim all the points, claim all the points. You see, because I cleared cache, I cleared this data, all these things came back again. Okay, you claim them, so you've accumulated another 10,000. With the other 10,000 you had that time, that is 20,000. So this is how you keep on accumulating it till you get to 100,000. Okay, now once you get to 100,000, that is where the big game is. That is where the trick is. Once you get to 100,000 of this, don't go and use it to buy coins in under shop. Don't go and use it to buy coins here. Okay, once you get to 100,000, watch what I'm going to do now. I've played this game now. I will now go back to this place. All these Tenaz, click on app info and clear cache again. I'm clearing my cache again. Clear data storage also. Clear it. In your own game, you might not see storage and cache. You might just see storage. Click on it. Clear. You will see clear data, clear storage. Then I will now go back again. I will now relog in again. Now watch me. This trick that I'm showing you now, after you've gotten to 100,000, I will now come again, log in, then input my password. Once I input my password, I sign in. And after I sign in, I will now go back to game zone again. This time around, since my points have gotten to 100,000. Okay, good. Since this place I've gotten to 100,000 or over 100,000, do you know what I will do? I won't play the game again. I'll just click on play. And allow it to continue. Clear all these points, 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 clear all these points. I will now go back to this, press it down again, go to app info, clear storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage again. Then I will now log in again and repeat it. I will now log in again and repeat the same thing. I will just play it. I will allow it to catch me immediately. Go and claim those points and keep on accumulating those points. Now, after you've done it, you've clear cache and storage, and you log in 5 times. That is, you clear cache, you log in 5 times. Tenaz will not allow you to log in again after 1 hour. So you won't be able to log in again. So immediately after 1 hour, you'll be able to log in again. So you wait for 1 hour, then you re-log in again. You will log in. And you repeat the same process again 5 times. Go and claim those points, clear cache, clear storage, re-log in again. Okay, you do it 5 times. After you've done it for 5 times, after the 5th time, you see that Tenaz will not allow you to log in again until after 1 hour. So after that 1 hour again, you will now do what? You will now log in again and do it again for 5 times. So that is how you keep on doing it till you accumulate 300, till you accumulate so many points. Okay? I hope you are learning. If you believe you are gaining from this video, please subscribe to this my channel. I'll be dropping more on Tenaz and other game tricks that you can use to accumulate massive points. Okay, so since you log in again, and that is how you keep on accumulating. Let me show you this point here. Look at this point. Let me show you now. It's loading. Let's wait. Good. That is how you keep on accumulating this point. Come on, accumulating it. So make sure you don't have less than 100,000 here for this streak. We now come claim again, claim all these points again. Okay, so that is how you keep on accumulating it. So once I get to 1 million, once I get these points now gets to 1 million or 1,100,000, I will now go to shop bundles. Come here, I will start claiming these things. Can you see? I've claimed. I'll start claiming it. I'll start claiming it. I'll start claiming it. As I'm claiming it, you see that this one is reducing. But if you go to my tenors is increasing here. My tenors is, can you see? It has increased now. So you keep on accumulating it with your points. But make sure you don't have less than 100,000 for this streak to work for you. So play the game for 25 minutes. It will give you 10,000 points, and like that till you get to 100,000. Once you get to 100,000, you can now be playing it, let it be catching you. So once it catch you, go and claim those points, clear catch, clear storage. So that is how you keep on accumulating your points. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section of this video, and I will do well to answer all your questions. Drop it in the comment section of this video. Also, the link to join my WhatsApp group will be dropped in the description of this video. If you need to join the group and ask your questions about tenors and other minings that you are doing, and I will do well to answer you, please go ahead. And it's possible for you to even accumulate 60,000 tenors coins on a daily basis. Yes, it's possible. Like I've done it before. All right, thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel and follow other channels. Thank you. Drop your questions in the comment section. I will answer them. All right. Thank you, and bye, 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 bye.